I'm Anna Koroleva. I'm from Russia originally, from St. Petersburg, and I've graduated branded spaces in LCC. I currently work and live in London. I'm working in George P. Johnson as a 3D designer on exhibitions and events. Pretty much since I was 10, I was dreaming of being an interior designer, and then I went to art school in Russia and I studied there for 6 years. Then I thought it's a bit maybe too much. And I went to study economics and management, so that was my first degree, and it was in Russia. And then on the second year I realized I can't do this. I can't imagine myself in the office doing same thing every day, and it's just so boring. And I realized that I really want to come back to art and to design, and I was always dreaming to live in London and ended up in LCC. After I graduated, I started looking for a job, and my final major project was in retail design. So I was trying to find something within this field, and I did a bit of this, I did a bit of that. I went to Russia, I did a project on interior design for residential house. So I had all these small bits and pieces in my portfolio. Then was the day when I received a call about working GPJ as a freelancer, exhibition design. I never did anything like this before, but then I thought, why not? So I did different projects. It's around the world. We just came back from Barcelona from one side, and the team who was working on the project, I think it was about more than 30 people, and it's only creative. So it's great. I mean, it's great from the point of view that you're learning so much every day, from concept to execution, from seniors, from executives, and it's a great opportunity. Yeah, definitely I'm happy to graduate LCC, and even now after these couple of years, I feel like it's actually in my heart. It's like my university, and I'm proud I've graduated LCC, and I feel like it gave me so much in so many ways, professionally and personally as well. The development, it's just crazy to think about who I was before the course. Yeah, and after it's like two different people. I mean, of course it's a hard work. You're constantly thinking out of the box and going out of the comfort zone. It's pushing us to meet new people, to go to speak to someone, and that's what I think was one of the most important things I've learned on the course as well. And you should take it seriously, of course, because the amount of information the tutors are giving to you, it's huge, and it's just a question if you can absorb it all. If you can absorb it every day, you're going to graduate as a great professional.